The new Qashqai is also the first vehicle globally to use Nissan's innovative CMF-C architecture, which boasts a 48% increase in structural rigidity. In terms of construction, the body in white makes use of more lightweight materials as well as advanced stamping and welding techniques, not just to increase strength but to also reduce weight. For the first time, the rear hatchback door on the Qashqai is now made of composite material, which saves a further 2.6 kg. The front and rear doors, front fenders and bonnets are all now made of aluminium, which offers a weight saving and the total net advantage for customers thanks to all the advanced manufacturing techniques is that the overall body in white is lighter by 60 kg and stiffer by 41% compared to the outgoing model. The wheelbase of the Qashqai has increased by 19 mm, with the overall length increasing by 31 mm. There is an increase in height 30 mm and width 29 mm for improved presence on the road. Introducing the new platform brings a host of important gains, including wider door openings for easy access, more knee and legroom for rear passengers, improved visibility from the driver's seat, multi-link rear suspension across all models for poise and ride comfort, and a higher 1.5-ton towing capacity. The Qashqai doesn't just deliver room for everyone, it delivers room for everything. The powered hands-free back door, a first for the Qashqai, makes accessing the boot effortless when hands are anything but free, opening automatically to allow access to a generous 429 liters with a cargo flow that's been lowered by 20 mm when compared to the outgoing model. The space is ample for two large suitcases or a pram and introduces true practicality in the small SUV space. Nissan's newly developed 1.3-liter 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine is fitted to new Qashqai, delivering an extra 4 kW of power and 50 Nm of torque than the engine it replaces, lifting total outputs to a satisfying 110 kW at the rate 5,500 rpm and 250 Nm at 1,600-3,750 rpm. This lightweight engine with its aluminium cylinder head and block also delivers significant improvements in fuel economy, with efficiency improving by 0.8 liters per 100 km to a new combined average consumption of 6.1 liters per 100 km. A new generation Xtronic CVT supports the drive to greater fuel efficiency and better performance, with the transmission internal friction reduced by 29%. All models feature paddle shift gear changing from the steering wheel and 3-mode operation: Standard, Eco and Sport. The new Qashqai has an updated McPherson strut setup at the front, and at the rear Qashqai is equipped with an advanced multi-link setup. The advanced multi-link rear suspension configuration offers a best-in-segment balance between ride comfort and dynamic response. It is now mounted to a subframe by bushes, which reduces road noise and vibrations transmitted from the road. The new Nissan Qashqai will be available in ST, ST Plus, STL and TI configurations. The price of the new 2023 Nissan Qashqai will start at $33,890.